Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT Learning Institute. So I hope you are well. So this is Rahul and today our topic is how to create a web page for a website. So this video is very helpful for beginners who wants to learn HTML from the scratch. So now start the videos and so I noted here some points for the HTML. So first question is the what is the HTML, because we want to create a web page, so we need to know what is the HTML. So I put here some points. So we discussed about these points. So first point is the HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. So HTML is the HTML जो लैंग्वेज है वो एक HTML पेज क्रिएट करने के लिए एक स्टैंडर्ड लैंग्वेज है. Without HTML we can't create a web page for the websites. So HTML is the main language for the create a website. So second point is the HTML stand for hypertext markup language. So HTML का पूरा नाम है hypertext markup language. And third point is the with HTML you can create योर ओन वेबसाइट. तो एच टी एम एल के साथ आप अपनी ओन वेबसाइट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एच टी एम एल डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ वेब पेज. सो एच टी एम एल ही एक वेबसाइट का स्ट्रक्चर या ढांचा प्रिपेयर करता है. विदाउट एच टी एम एल यू कांट प्रिपेयर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर वेबसाइट. सो नेक्स्ट इज द एच टी एम एल एलिमेंट टेल द ब्राउजर हाउ टू डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट. एच टी एम एल के एलिमेंट्स हैं वही एक ब्राउज़र को बताते हैं कि कंटेंट किस टाइप से शो करना है, किस टाइप से प्रीव्यू कराना है. विदाउट एच टी एम एल ब्राउज़र डजंट नो what is what will be so, what will be not so. So HTML everything depends on HTML. So next point is HTML elements label pieces of content such as a heading. This is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. तो HTML ही ब्राउज़र को गाइड करता है कि दिस इज़ अ हेडिंग, दिस इज़ अ पैराग्राफ, दिस इज़ अ लिंक, दिस इज़ अ बटन. बिकॉज द ब्राउज़र डजंट नो विच इज़ द हेडिंग, विच इज़ द पैराग्राफ, विच इज़ द लिंक. So HTML everything inform to browser by the HTML. So some software required for the create a web pages. So I note down there. So first is the editor. So we want to create a web pages, we want to write the code, so we need to first editor. So first we need to editor, and there are so many editors available in the market in the open source like a Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Sublime. Notepad is always exist in your lappy in your desktop, and Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. It's a open source. You can go to the Google and you can download easily and use it. And second one, after creating the web pages, we need to run your web pages. So we required browsers. Like there are so many browsers also, like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer. Because after creating the web pages, we need to one browser, because without browser we can't check our websites. Because without browser we can't check our websites, how much is fill, how to work our website. So we need to require a browser. So let's start. We will try with the examples. So first of all we need to open a notepad. So go down your search bar and click here and type here notepad, then enter and open the notepad. So in the notepad we will write the HTML structure. So when we write the code for HTML, so we need to first thing here we need to declare here a doc type, because doc type is a doc type always show the versions, which this HTML is the HTML5, this HTML is HTML4, this HTML is the XHTML. So we need to write here, first of all we need to write here doc type. So I write the doc type like this. Okay, after compute the doc type. Okay, I missed the points. Okay, so after write the doc type, so we need to write the flow of the HTML pages. So we need to write the here HTML. HTML. So here I'm write the code, write the tag HTML. So what is the meaning of the HTML? Because when we writing the HTML code, we need to write the one tag, first one tag HTML. Without this tag, we can't run our website on the in a Google, in the Chrome, in the any browsers. So HTML. So what is the tag? Tag is defined. What is the meaning of the web pages, like a heading, paragraph, everything depends on the tag. Every tag is very valuable for our websites. So when we write the any tag, so we start the any tag from the less than and tag name, any tag name, like as start HTML, like h1, this is a heading, and close right, and here you can put your heading, and less than again h1 is the close. when जब भी हम कोई टैग लेते हैं, जब भी हम कोई टैग यहाँ लिखते हैं, तो उसको क्लोज कराना बहुत ज़रूरी है. विदाउट क्लोजिंग द टैग वी कांट give the perfect properties. Okay, so when we start the any tag, so we need to create a h1 h2. Okay, so like this. So जब भी हम एक टैग ऐड करेंगे या टैग ऐड करेंगे, तो याद रहे जैसे हम उसको क्लोज करते हैं बैक स्लैश के साथ उसको बंद करते हैं. विदाउट अगर हम इसको क्लोज नहीं करेंगे तो ये आगे वर्क नहीं करेगा. याद रहे जिस भी टैग को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं उसको उस टैग को क्लोज करने के लिए हम बैक स्लैश का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, द HTML, आफ्टर द HTML टैग वी क्रिएट अ हेड टैग. नाउ हर बार की तरह फिर से हम लेस देन हेड टैग, क्लोज एंड ओपन एंड बैक स्लैश हेड द क्लोज is the head. In the head tag we write two and three properties, like title. So we start the title like this and close like this, yeah. In this title we write the page title, like a page title, like I will show the page title, like I hover on this tab, I show the IT Learning Institute. This is the page title, so I write here the page title. So right now I write like test HTML. Okay, and close the tag. And second one, here is हेड के अंदर हम और भी चीज़ें लिंक कराते हैं, लाइक जैसे लिंक कराते हैं लिंक फॉर द अदर एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज, लाइक when we including the other sources like CSS, like JS files, so we put here a path in the head section in the link. So when we loaded our index HTML, then CSS and jQuery also loaded with us. So when we require call the CSS and jQuery, so right here, and after that you close the head tag like this. And after the head tag we write the body tag like this. Body So in the body we will write everything here without, if we want like a header, footer, content, we will discuss in a next video in a very deeply what is the tag, what is the header, what is the footer, what is the content, we will discuss very deeply in the next video. So here in this body you can write your actual content here, like h1 one, and close like this, and you put title here like I write here IT learning IT learning institutes. Okay, then I save the document. Okay, when we will save the document we need to type name here in index.html. Here HTML is the extension, because without extension it will be not run in the browser. So जब भी हम इस फाइल को सेव करते हैं तो index.html ही राइट करते हैं. We can change the name like index, but we can't change .html because HTML is the extension. Without HTML we can't run your file in the browser. So ध्यान रहे जब भी हम इसको सेव करें तब .html extension होना ही चाहिए. And I create a new folder, the create page. Okay, enter the page and I save here. Okay, and I save here and I open the create a page and I click on 2 times on the index, and boom guys, here is available, which is right there, IT Learning Institute, and I hover on the here and test HTML. I wrote here, yeah, this is a HTML. If I change here title, it will be automatically reflect there like a I write a IT Learning Institute and I saved it, and I save, and then I go to browser and I reload, and boom guys, it will be auto updated IT Learning. And in the next video we will discuss about the very deeply what is the HTML tag. In the next video we will upload in the next video in the week how to create a header, how to create banner, how to create a content, how to footer. So we will discuss very deeply in the next video. So thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you are enjoying my videos. So thank you so much.